Hi guys! Good morning. Right now it's 5:30 in the morning. I woke up extra early today because I haven't packed and I have to leave the house in 2 hours. By the way, I'm going to the States to visit my husband. Yeah! I'm going to show you what I'm going to bring with me to Arizona. Let's go! Hey Siri, how's the weather in Phoenix, Arizona?
It's currently clear and 43 degrees in Phoenix, Arizona, the United States.
What? 43? Are you kidding? So this is the closet at my parents' house. It's quite messy. I'm going to bring some of these dresses, shorts, what else? T-shirts maybe. Guys, I need to go shopping. I have no clothes. Seriously. No. And also my husband asked me to bring swimsuits. Awesome. So I got swimsuits. I found some Q-tips, so I'm just gonna take that. So I got 2 PJs right there. By the way, this is my room. So that's Bosong's house, and I need to hang that frame up. And that's the bed. It looks the same as the one that we had in my previous house. That's because it is the same thing. I mean, it's not the same bed that we used, but I bought the same exact one because I really like that bed a lot, and it was on sale too. And that's the desk and like a workstation where I work on my videos. That's the section for Bosong, and have lights and speaker by the bed. Oh, this is the view from my room. It's pretty. Since I'm going to do some laundry while I'm there, I'm going to just bring 5 underwear, and to bring some strapless bra, regular bra. Yeah. And I like to pack my underwear in this kind of like a Ziploc bag so that I can keep them nice and clean. So I have this pouch that I take with me every time I travel. It's full of samples. As you can see, I have all the samples from shampoo, skincare, and I also have some cotton pads. So every time I get samples, I just put them in this pouch so that I can use them whenever I travel. And I bought this red ginseng, 정관장, for my husband. And this is something that my brother-in-law asked me to bring. What else? Like accessory-wise. By the way, this is how I store them right now. I need to get like a tray or something for my watches, but this is the current situation. Here I put my bracelets and more rings and earrings. And on the bottom there are some 뜨거워! There's a candle and I just burned myself. For my jewelry, I like to take like a smaller pouch. This is perfect, right? It's a pouch from Ana Luisa, and I'm going to pack some of my watches and rings that I'm going to wear. Shoes. So for my shoes, I mean, to be honest, like while in the States, all I wear is flip-flops. I don't dress up. I just get lazy and just wear flip-flops. So it's going to take this one and maybe my old Birkenstock that I wore so much. But just in case, I'm just going to bring my new mules that I got from Manolo Blahnik. They're very comfortable. They're a little bit tight on me, but still they're very beautiful. It's so bright right now. No. Oh, cameras. I have a smaller bag for my cameras, so I'm just going to put them in here. So I think I packed pretty much everything, right? I packed my clothes, underwear, skincare, and also I'm going to bring a carry-on with me. And here, I'm bringing my laptop with me during my vacation. And I like to pack my laptops in my carry-on luggage because I like to work on stuff on the plane. Last but not least, I'm going to pack my bag. I'm going to take this Louis Vuitton with me this time. Cell phone, my wallet, my passport. It's very important. I cannot forget this. I have this small pouch that has lip balm. I cannot go on a plane without a lip balm. Otherwise, I'm going to die. My lips get really dry. It has a hand lotion, small lipstick, Listerine mint, lip stain from MAC, a small mirror, and also has a small perfume. Surprisingly, in this little pouch, it fits quite a bit. Goes in this bag. Oh, I need to check if I have a... Yes, I do have it. This is my flight itinerary. I have a flight at 12:05 with United. And I have a stopover in San Francisco, and from San Francisco I take a flight to Las Vegas. That's where my husband and I are going to meet. I just realized that I'm coming back on Sunday at 9:50 p.m. and have to go to work the next day. I mean, if I get home, it's going to be almost midnight. I need to get going. Thank you so much for being there with me while I'm packing and panicking at the same time. Yeah, it was crazy. I woke up at 5 and I was like, what's going on? I haven't packed anything. Oh, I need to pack tissue just in case. But anyway, and also I forgot to pack my iPad. Of course, I'm forgetting something. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the other side of the globe. Bye.